Hey, what's up, guys? So I just went to a Lowe's and I bought this 28 inches Toolbox water seal. So it cost me $35. So I'm gonna show you how big is this one. So let me open it for you. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this little bin up and I'm gonna put it down. Actually, I'm gonna put it back again, and I'm just gonna leave the camera for you. Alright, so I have this. These are my tools. So I'm gonna pull this one up. Alright, as you can see, I have my power tools with me inside of this 28 inches Toolbox water seal by Craftsman. And look how spacious it is. So I think it's a good buy, it's a good deal. And as you can see, it has rubber to protect the inside against the water. And you can see the construction almost same as the Fat Max of Stanley, but of course Stanley is more expensive, like $2 or more whatsoever. I'm not sure. So this is gonna be the top, and the handle is rubber. So for you to grip, rubber for grip. And the locks is okay. Let me put it back. Lock. Is this a lock? Come on. I'm having a hard time with that. There you go. And it has his you can use this one to put your log. Oh, hold on, let me grab one for you guys. So you can actually put a piece of wood on this toolbox. So whenever you're going to gather wood for yourself, it's not going to move that often. Unlike if you're just going to use if you're gonna put this one on the flat surface, there's gonna be a chance of moving when you starting cutting this wood. So this one is a good one because there's an angle that will help you to stabilize the movement while you're cutting piece of wood like this one. So and you can also step on it, so you can use your both hands while performing the cutting. Okay. Let's take it out. Okay. Okay, here's an example. I lost my blade, so like this. Since the cordless electric saw is kind of heavy, so this toolbox will definitely gonna help you. So you can able to use your both hands like that. Just for an example. Okay, let me put my thing here. Like this. Like this. Alright, like this. See? It's easier for you. It's like having a mini shop. And you can also put locks on your toolbox, so it has a better a hole on both sides that you can able to insert your locks or whatever locks that you have. And I'm gonna step on it so you guys can see how durable this one is. Hopefully this table won't break. See? Okay, my height is 5'7" and my weight is 150. No, I think I gained more. 160. I think it can bear 100 pounds or more. Okay, and so again, Craftsman's Toolbox, 28 inches. And you can actually, it can bear 66 pounds, 30 kilograms of weight inside of this toolbox. Based on the description, but I'm not sure though, but who knows. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you like my video, and if you like my video, please subscribe, and God bless.